So our topic is how to add ad extensions to your ad copy. Okay. So there are two ways through which you can add your ad extensions to your ad copy. So we'll go with the, let's say, method number one. You can go to campaigns, go with the plus sign, go for new campaign. You can choose any of the objective over here, but search campaign should be there under that objective. Why? Because ad extensions are applicable only for search campaign. So for example, I can select sales, leads, and website traffic only. So I'll go with sales as of now. I'll select search. Okay. If you want to choose any goal, you can choose over here, click on continue. Now, once you click on continue, you can scroll down, keep scrolling down to the bottom of the page. You get option over here, add extensions. Okay. So over here, you can design as many extensions you want. You can add as many extensions you want to add. Okay. So this is the one method through which, you can add extension. Now the method number two. For example, let's say the campaign is already created, and now you want to add any extension to a campaign. Okay, the campaign is already created. This is like through the campaign you're gonna create an ad extension. Let's consider the second method where campaign is already created and you want to add some extensions now. So what you're gonna do, I'll be canceling this. Okay, so I'll go to some campaign. For example, let's say this campaign. Okay, under this campaign, I'll go to ad group level. Ad group level, left hand side, I can see an option coming up over here, ads and extensions. Click on this. Under that, I'll click on extensions. Okay. So over here, already two extensions are there under this campaign, this ad group. You want to add more extensions, you can just click on the plus sign, and whichever you feel like you want to add, you can just add the extension over here. You want site link, click on site link and add it. Once it is done, click on save. Okay, so this is how you can add the extension if the campaign is already created. Okay, so we have seen two methods over here. One method, while creating a campaign you can add extensions, and the second method, after let's say the campaign creation as well, you can add the extensions. Okay, I hope this is clear. Thank you so much.